Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use Vstack with filter. So if you want to learn how to use Vstack function with filter function in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see this is my team A performance, okay, name and sales. Now this is my team B performance, name and sales. Now I want to combine this column but with a specific filter, okay, means I want to combine only the name of the team person who has more than 500 sale, okay, from team A and team B. Means here you will see this is the title, more than 500 sale in team A and team B. So how to do it? You have to use filter function for that. I will show you one bonus tips which you can use in Vstack. Okay, so first I will show you how to use this filter. Okay, Vstack with filter equals to, now you have to type Vstack. Okay, then here you have to again type, after bracket open you have to type filter. Okay, and bracket open again. Now you have to choose first team array, all table. Okay, now comma, now you have to type sales only, okay, team A sales, then more than 500. This means only sale only included which have more than 500. Now bracket close, now again comma, now filter. Okay, now we will filter, bracket open, now choose whole cell, whole column or whole table. Now comma sale, and now more than 500. Okay, bracket close. Now you will see all the persons from team A and team B who have more than 500 cell will included here. Now, so like this you can use Vstack filter in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.